Welcome back, guys. Today we have for you is a meat-free burger recipe. Black bean burgers. Yum! Let's dive in. To start off, sauté oil, minced garlic, chopped peppers and onions over medium heat until they become slightly translucent. Once they're done, gently blot the moisture out. Next, in a bowl or food processor, add in your peppers and onions, cumin, chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, Worcestershire sauce, eggs, ketchup, mayonnaise, breadcrumbs, and salt and pepper to taste. Now, stir or pulse everything together and then add in the black beans. If you don't have a food processor, mash with a fork, leaving some larger chunks of beans. Once everything is combined, form your mixture into patties. On medium heat, cook your patties evenly on both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm serving my burger with American cheese, sliced onions, ketchup, and pickles. If you have any leftover patties, you can store them up to 5 days. Hope you enjoyed this bean burger recipe. Thanks for watching!